Well, hello and welcome to a Kooky corner of YouTube. Now, I'm knocking my camera, I'm so excited. And excited because you've probably seen the name on the top of this parcel. This is from Annie Claxton, ARTY, FARTY Annies. And I do know what it is. Annie has just literally recently this week made some kits for transforming your troll. And she actually provides the troll in here, but I think it's easier if I open it and I'll show you exactly what's in this parcel. So I get my trusty cat paw and see if I can very carefully go into this without damaging anything. Oh, we're in. Let me take you out a bit further. I seem to have you very close. It's nice to be close to you, but not that close. That's a little bit too close. Oh, I might have to open it a little bit more. I don't want to damage anything that's inside. Oh, it's so exciting. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Things wrapped in string are always good things. That's what I say. Yay. So I've got all the bits. All the bit there. Oh, this is exciting. So this is Annie's kit that you would get if you ordered one. I do believe she has them in her Etsy shop at the moment, and I will leave a link down to these below in the description. But also if you want to pop along to Annie's channel, which is ARTY FARTY Annie, again, I will leave a link. And she has 2 videos that go with this. So one of them is kind of introducing the kit, and the other one is going through it step by step, and it's really in-depth, brilliant video that you will need to see if you want a little bit of help to do this. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I want to see the troll, but I'm going to have a look at the other bits first. So I don't know if you've seen Annie's channel before. I'm not going to read all of this out to you, but if you want to pop back into Annie's channel and have a look at an what's in the box swap that she did with Just Johnny from Just Johnny Creations. And the challenge that he had was to transform an ordinary everyday troll, as if there could be such a thing, into a rock star. He was going to be joining a punk band. So a little bit, it was Willie Waxton was born in a gravel pit just outside of Hartlepool, where the Waxton family has lived for generations, quarrying stone and breaking it into gravel to earn a living. It's hard work for most of them, but most of them are contented with their lot except Willie, who has different ideas. Willie dreams of becoming a rock star instead of a rock breaker. He wants to leave the gravel pit behind and travel the world as a lead singer of his punk rock band, the Skanky Hooers. I love it. He's already come up with a stage name, Skid Vicious, and they've landed an audition with a big record label who like the sound of their demo tape. What Skid needs now is a makeover so that he looks the part for the audition, and this is where you come in. So there's all the instructions here of how to create your own Skid Vicious, or indeed whichever troll you want to make. Annie said just go with it and go, she'll show you the basics, but you can then go with it and do whatever you like. So we've got the kit contents, ideas and suggestions, really in depth. We've got pictures of Willie before and after, so that's a before and after picture of Willie Waxton. And then we've got some pattern instructions to go along with. So let's have a look at what we've got in our pack. You pop that to one side, that's going to go back in there. Shall we have a look at him? Let's have a look at the troll. I can't wait. I don't want to ruin the string because I'm thinking this can also be used for something else to do with it. And as it's included in the kit, then I can use it too. My mind is already on ideas. As if my fingers will help me open this. Ooh. I'm sorry for all the people who want to open the thing, get inside. I am. I promise you, I'm getting there. There we go. There we go. So we have a bit of string as well. Yes. Oh, where is it? Oh, hello. Hi, Willie. Oh, look at his little jumper and his hat. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, you are a cute boy. I like you. Yes. We can make things for you. Yes, we can. Look at him, though. I like his little red jumper with his little heart on it. Oh, bless him. Ah, you've got things going to happen to you, boy. Things are going to happen. They are. You're going to be a superstar. Let's get rid of the tissue paper. So let's have a look at the fabrics. I love this. I love this little troll paper. It's so cool. I'm going to keep that as well. Keeping that too. So we've got a nice package of things. Let's get inside and see what kind of fabrics we've got. Oh, there's so many here by the looks of it. Annie, lots. Sorry for the rattling. I'll do it quickly. Oh, let's drag it out and I can put the rattly bit away. Okay, a little mysterious parcel. Ooh, that's nice. That looks like some kind of a bias binding. Like that. That's cool. We've got some leopard print. Love that. Love the leopard print. Ooh, that might come in very handy for what I'm thinking. Nice piece of tartan ribbon there. Some lovely silver lurex. That'll make something nice. Funky foam. Nice piece of funky foam there. Ooh, one of the little cocktail sticks. That's cool. Love that. T-shirt material. So we can make a nice t-shirt for our troll. Hope I've got you all in. Hope you can all see this. Let me get it. That's a little cocktail stick. I was getting so excited I forgot to check whether you could actually see as well. And we have some nice stretchy jersey kind of fabric. That'll come in handy. Ooh, I like this red cotton. That's nice. That'll come in for something. Ooh, another one of those little, I don't know, they're cocktail sticks. Yeah, cocktail stick. Ooh, some nice leathery material there. This is going to come in very handy. I've got ideas, as you might know. I've already got ideas for what I would like to do with this. And Annie did say to me, she said, you can go to town, do whatever you want to do. The guidelines are there, but you can deviate from them. So it's a dangerous thing to say. Oh, that's great. Now this is, it's a denim look. So it's a chambray, I think Annie said. It's a thinner version of a denim because, like you can see, the troll's legs are only tiny. And if you have really thick like denim, Annie said it doesn't really work. You've got to have something that's a little bit thinner in order to work with the size of your boy. Okay, so there's the materials we've got to work with, which is all looking very good. I believe this is wool tops used for felting, but as Annie said, this can also be used to make hair. And I have made hair from dolls with this before, for dolls. From dolls, that would be a bit mean. I'm going to take your hair and make it into something. So and go back in there. Let's have a look inside this mysterious package. Ooh, lots of little findings. So we've got some string that I believe is for the boot laces. We've got some, oh, it's like a wired cord. That's quite nice. I think Annie used it for a microphone cord because she made him a microphone. That's the birthday cake candle holder that we could use for a cigarette if he's a smoker. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure whether he does or he doesn't. We shall find out. Some long pins for studs to give him some piercings. We've got, I love this little safety pin. That's so cool. We've got, ooh, that's nice. Got a nice piece of chain there. That'll come in handy. We've got some, oh, these are the crimps that crimp around things. You can close those with wires to crimp something down in jewellery. We've got some rings, some more piercings. We've got some beads. This is a nice bead. I like that. That's very cool. I'm liking that. And this piece is, it's like heat. I can't remember what Annie said now. It's like when you heat it up, it kind of shrinks around. It's for cables, I think, when you're wiring things in electrics. So that's that. So I'm going to put that with that because that also might come in. And then we have, this is worth the whole kit itself, I think, because this is Annie has managed to make patterns. I'm sorry, I'm rattling again. Let me rattle and then I'll talk. Oh, rattle, rattle, rattle. I love these. Actually love these. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, I like those. Let's pop those to one side. So we've got a troll wardrobe now. I was talking with Annie and we were talking about the fact that there aren't really any patterns for clothes for trolls. And Annie has actually gone out and done a pattern, which is amazing because we've got a pattern for trolls boots there. So we can make them some little boots. And we've got a pattern for a shirts and trousers. And these can be adapted. So if you've got the shirt, you can then make waistcoats. You can alter the trousers a little bit as well, as long as you've got a basic pattern, which Annie has very, very kindly drawn out. And this is worth a whole lot on its own. And I think, in fact, if you wanted to just make the clothing, if you've got a troll you want to make clothing for, then there is already a pattern there, and I think Annie's going to put the pattern itself in her Etsy shop so that you can just buy the pattern as a digital download, which is an ideal idea, I think. Oh, this is the transfer paper. So this is transfer paper so that you can put a little slogan onto the t-shirt. She's thought of everything. Everything has gone into this, and it is so well thought out. And I'm really, really excited to be making an outfit for this boy and sending him on his way to rock superstardom. Now, my little thought that I had, I know punk rock was in the 70s, but there was another kind of rock that was in the 70s that is also very dear to my heart. I was a punk, by the way, just so I did have that phase. I wasn't quite old enough to join in with this particular phase, but I've kind of grasped it on the way out. So I'm thinking that my little Willy Wackerstone is going to turn into a glam rocker. I'm so thinking, I've been thinking about this for a while, and I'm thinking, yeah, glam rock. And all the fabrics that I've got here will also work with that, and that's going to be so, so great. But Annie also says, if you've got other bits and things that you want to add in, then feel free to do that. So I'm going to have a go and see what I can do with you. I'm so excited. You're going to be a lovely little boy. I like you. You're going to fit in well with my troll family. When Annie previously did trolls, I actually, this guy's a bit bigger, I have to say, but I did this guy. He's like his big brother. He's quite a big boy. And I had to try and figure out trousers, as me and Annie spoke about. You couldn't get troll clothing anywhere, so I've cobbled these together. But the thing about trolls is they're so small. Once you've got a pair of trousers with some material on, they'd look not too bad. The ones that Annie's given me are going to look so good on this guy. Absolutely brilliant. And yeah, this is my first attempt. He's got a very nice cloak on. He's kind of like a galactic troll. And I did send Annie a picture of him wrapped in a towel, and when he was having his spa makeover. So yeah, I did a freeform crochet jacket for him with a little button, and obviously his spotty trousers, and his hair. I didn't use the felting wool. I used fur fabric because I did have some of this handy, and I thought, and I did have some fur needle felting wool to use, but I thought I'd try and give him, because he's a galactic troll. I thought I'd do that. Anyway, back to Annie's pattern. I'll put him there. He can oversee what I'm doing. And so I'm going to get cracking with this. So this is the first video. I will leave the links to Annie's kits and to the pattern that she's going to be putting in her Etsy store, and links to the videos so that you can go back to Annie's. It's Arty Farty Annie, and it's Annie Claxton, and you're looking for the Troll Makeover kits. And the first one is an introduction. She'll go through all the materials, and she'll probably explain them an awful lot better than I've just done. So pop over and see that. And then wonderful video of instruction to go through every single thing. If you want to make one of the trolls in exactly the same way, or use the techniques to make your own and put your own spin on it. That's Arty Farty Annie. That's Annie Claxton, and that's her little logo. So I will link all those things down below. I hope I've not missed anything out. But the next video I will show on this one will probably be this weekend. Hopefully, I want to start now. I'm saying this now. I want to make a start on him now, right now, so that we can get him done and you can see what he looks like, because I'm so excited to make a start on him. Look at his little eyes. He's so trusting. You're going to trust me to do all kinds of things, aren't you? Yes. And I'm going to do some piercings. Yes. Oh, no. I'm not sure about that. Yes, we are. Look, this guy, he had his. Look, you can see. I always talk to my trolls. Anyway, that's it from me for now. Have a great day, and pop over to Annie's. And if you also fancy doing your own troll, you've got two options. If you're very lucky, and you'll have to be very lucky because there are very few of them, you can get yourself a troll kit. Failing that, there will be a pattern there for you to download so that you can do clothes and get your own troll, so that you can join in the trollacious goodness. That's what I'm going to call it. Have a great day. Bye for now.